So, hey guys, I'm Nom here. So, right, I was in the middle of doing something and my recording stopped. Yeah, love your Windows by the way. So, I shall go back through and I will explain what's been going on. So, I made the simple script here, which will be when you click the green flag, the coin will show, it will set your money to 0 and infinitely go to 0x and 0y. So when you hit it, it's in the center. Now when you hit the sprite, it changes the money by 1, as you can see up there. So then, when you go to the shop, ta-da, it's gone. And when you go back from the shop, it's there. So onto the shop script, it'll be when the sprite is clicked, if the costume number is equal to 1, that sounds weird if you're new to Scratch, but what it's saying is, if the costume is this, number 1, then broadcast the shop. So, that's how it knows to hide. And same thing there, but back shop. So, when backdrop switches to shop, it changes the costume to shop out. When it's backdrop, changes it to shop go. So, look, there we go. So, we'll add some items to the shop. Let's add a simple click multiplier. So, click multiplier symbol. We shall grab this symbol, well you don't have to, but this is what I'll do for mine, and Control V it, but have a times 2. Actually, no, I won't do that. It'll simply just be the coin, but it shall be shrunk down. So, when the green flag is clicked, set size to, I'll half the size, so that's 50%. Ta-da, it's smaller now. But it appears when we click the green flag. So, put there, hide. Right? And when it's hidden, it shall do nothing. But when I receive the shop do show. And another thing I recommend doing is having it go to the coords you want it to go to. Right? Go to there. So you cancel the thing, that updates, go to there whenever you receive shop. Duplicate that, change that to hide when I receive back shop. So now look, you can't click it for money. So the next step will be to add some text under it. So yeah, this is one way you can do it. I don't recommend doing it this way, but it is a way. Hang on, two times click. I can't read if you can't read your text while you're doing it, change it to black. And boom, 2 times click. There we go. Change it to white. Well, you don't have to, but I do, because there. Look, 2 times click. And now what I recommend doing, making a new costume. Duplicate this one, but change it so the words sold out. Because I mean, you don't want to be able to multiply your clicks forever, do you? But if you do, I shall show you a simple script you can do. So, there. Ta-da! It will say sold out when it's sold out. You don't have to do this part, it's just something I like doing. Forward one. There we go. Sold out. Ta-da! Now, right. Change your costume name to GOT if you want to. So, code. Events. When this sprite clicked, what it shall do is, where is it? Variables, no controls, if else. So if operation, this is equal to, let's make it 50 for your double. So if that operation, this operation is true, then what it shall do is make a new variable, money per click for all sprites. So do set money per click to operation times money per click times 2, and then looks switch costume to not got, which means you need to have a new variable, control another if else. So if operation costume, your costume number is equal to 1, you don't want it to do it. Costume number is equal to 1. So, now, if you've got it, you can't buy it again. But if you don't have the money to get it, it shall looks, say, can't get, but set your own thing there instead. But you want it to say that for a few seconds. Grammar's important, people, don't forget it like I am. I'll make mine say it no, 2's alright actually. But if you've got it, it shall say, you already have this. There we go, that's all it shall do, right? Look, but now, apparently we already have it. And we don't have it. So, when the green flag is clicked, switch costume to got. Not to not got, sorry. Right? Look, now we can't get it. Let me just click this a bit. Actually, wait, we've encountered an error. It's not equals to, it's or this, that one. I don't know my greater than or less than symbols. Let me click this one more time. One good way to check is if that statement's true or not. So 50. Look. Now click it. It's not taking our money. And it's not switching the costume. To check it works, change money by -50. So it is working, it's just not switching the costume. So, yeah, let me check that then. I've never had it do that on me. What we can do is we can make it broadcast got 2 times. Make it so when it receives got 2 times, it switches costumes to got. Anyway, let me get some money. Right. Boom. Now it's sold out. And can't buy it again. Sorry about that, I've got a bit of a cold today. Right. Remember to save your projects though. Right. Now, the next, or another thing that I recommend doing is making sure you put the right thing in there. If you put the right thing in there, I appreciate you. Right, got ×2. But wait. What if you click? We've got no way to detect if you click an accident, but it's just a clicker game, it's not competitive, so it doesn't matter at the minute. But you'll notice we're not getting any more money per click. So what we need now is when the green flag is clicked, set money per click to 1. Now go back to your coin, right? So when this sprite is clicked, change money by money per click. So now look, we get 1 per every click. Let me just gather up 50. Right? Buy it. 2 per click now. Ta-da! Look. Double times coin. But let's make it so you can only buy it so many times. So get that. Change it to and. Right? So if that statement's true, make a variable how many times 2, right? So operation and ×2 is not, believe it would be that symbol. How many ×2 is not more than, we'll use 1 as a tester. So yeah, it's the right. We'll only make it so it is not greater than 4. True. Wait, how is that statement true? We want it to be false. Ah, false. Boom. Right, so you can only upgrade that 5 times, which amounts to a 4. I think it's 16, I'm not quick at this maths in my head. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Right? I hope you understand everything so far, because it's going to get more complex soon. Right? And got ×2. What broadcast got ×2? When you buy it now. So what it shall do, when click green flag, forever, if then, operation ×2 becomes greater than 4 broadcast got ×2. Right? So, wait, but then, right, set times how many ×2's to 0, change ×2 by 1 every time you buy it. So, let me just click it up. And 50. Buy the ×2 click. So you can see it says we've bought it once. But look, the price isn't increasing, is it? Which, you know, I mean, it's quite stupid. Like, right now, it should really cost us a fortune. So what we can do is, if money is equal to times 2 price. I can't spell price. Oh yeah, I can. Never mind. Right, price. So now what it'll do is change times 2 price by, you don't have to do this operation, but I'm going to make it so it's the current price doubles. So change it by double your times 2 price. So do make it so it's your money, no, 2 times price times by 2. So it's timesing the price by 2 every time. Change all you up. Boom. There we go. Times 2 price. Right. Okay. That's pretty complex, it looks like, though. But if you've been following it, I hope I've explained it to the point where this isn't considered really complex. Right? Anyway, continuing. 2 times x, so that times it by 2. Right, I've already explained all of this, but yeah. Alright, so now set times 2 price to 50 when the green flag is clicked. So now let's get 50, like bang on 50. Boom. It's 150 now. That's not timesing it by 2. Hang on. There we go. But wait, speaking of which, how does anyone know the pricing of it? This is where you don't zoom in your whole web page like a plonker. Times 2 click in pound. I'm going to use pounds since I'm British, but you can use dollars or whatever you use in other spots. Right, 50. Not got 50. 50. So what's 50 times by 2? That's 100. Double. Let the text expand outwards. Don't really. Try and keep it as centered as you can. Try and keep your text centered. No, right, money. Click this. Till we get 50. Boom. Buy it. See, it doubles to 150. And I believe that's just the game. Nothing would appear to be wrong with my code. Not got 150. Not got 300. Double pound, oh that's worth a lot. 300. Don't keep pressing enter like I do. Double 300, 600. 2, 3, 4. Back onto this. So, right. How does it know to switch costumes? Well, you know that how many times 2 variable? Yeah, it's about to come in handy. Get some if-then statements. Get your when click green flag. Make a forever operation equals. Right? So by default, it's set to 0. So that means you can buy it 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do recommend, in fact, don't listen to me, do that. Boom. Right? So if how many times 2? There we go. Right. Now what you do is looks, switch costume 2, not got 50, not got 150, not got 300, not got 600. Anyway, time to click a bunch. Oh no! It seems to think we've already got it. I am a dum-dum head. What? Your statement's false. Yeah, but you're an or statement. Yeah. Everything should be working. Right. Perhaps I've put something stupid into it. Right? Where could I have put something stupid in? Ow. No. Let me restart the game just in case that's the problem. While I do this, can I literally ask somebody? Right, times 2 price is 50. Right? God, this statement should be true. Right, something is being incredibly odd in here. Right, I'll fix this, and I'll have it fixed for the next episode. So, I shall see you in the next episode.